I pozdrav svima, evo nas u novoj epizodi The Walking Deada, nastavljamo ovdje gdje smo stali, znači došli smo ovdje ispred kuće i sada trebamo ući u kuću da vidimo šta nas čeka, možda nađemo čak municiju neku, pojma nemam, vidjet ćemo. Ko će pucat, druže? Nema tu i nikog. Ok, ovo je kuća, ima krvi. Ima ovdje krvi. Sto posto neki zombi ima ovdje ili nešto. Iskočit će šta je ovdje ovo. Neki poni. A toga ništa, šta imam dovoljno, šta je ovo, bomba neka. Aha, telefon ovdje. Fuck, brate. Uglavnom, izgleda da ovdje, ove poruke što su ostali, to su njeni roditelji od tih Clementine, valjda puno, nemamo čega. I oni su valjda bili na nekom odmor, neka Sandra je nju čuvala, ali mislim da nisu on dobro proveli što ovdje ima krvi i tako toga, ali neko se sad ovdje javio pa idem da vidim. Šta ćemo prvo, ajde ovo početka ovdje. Neko se čuo, evo ga. Okay. Da, to je ćerka od ovih roditelja što je pokazala na slici. Gdje se sakrila? Moćna. Gdje što ima? Šta? Ujebote živo. Ušu pičku maternu. Kju. Uši jebemu i ti. A normalno, ko u svakoj igrici, u svakoj... Oši nogom jebemu mu ja. Eno ga. Dari. I ja smo najbolj, daj čekići, udri, ne, fuck. Daj čekići, to. Udri, udri, udri. Ošin, još, ma kaki gotov, udri to. Oj, jebem, jo. Nema gotovo. Brate mili, na šta liči jebote. To je 100% ona Sandra, ona što je čuvala u Klementana u malu.
Did you kill it? It's okay. I think she wasn't a monster.
Jel da, nemoj srati, jel?
So too. You've been all by yourself in this.
Yeah. I want my parents to come home now.
Ja doće, ali... Znaš kad?
Oh,
I don't know what happened, but I'll look after you till I
what should we do now?
Da, look for help. Potražimo pomoć prije mraka.
Yeah. It's not safe at night.
Evo, zna i ova, čoveče, doži.
Let's go. They go.
Okej, sad vodimo je ovo dijete, evo nas. Evo na šta liči puzzle. Ajde, zatvoraj je, šta čekaš? Idemo, možemo se kretat, možemo... Da vidimo šta ima. Ajde, silazi, ovo je skljakav, bože dragi, šta ima ovdje, ima li ste za pokup, za nešto uzeti, ništa. Mogu ja nju udar šakom? Ne mogu, jebik. Aha. Na kapiju možemo. I jao, dok se on dovuče sad do kapije. Aj, poleti, brže. Ko su ovi? O, dobra, nisu zombi. Mama. Aha, gur, ne ide upali, svidio. Možda bombina.
Should I stay?
What?
I don't want to sleep in the treehouse tonight, but I don't know if I should leave. What if my parents come home?
I'm over here.
Neće sigurno roditelj
Let's go
doći.
somewhere safe and close. Okay?
That's a good idea.
Op!
Hey, man! Bullshit! Don't eat it! We're not gonna hurt you.
Sabi usrali.
I'm thinking you and the little one were both gonna get shot. We need help. Are you trying to get out of here? Because you should be. There's things all over the damn place. I haven't seen anything from early this neighborhood. Downtown Atlanta. I'm Sean Green. This is Clementine. I'm Chet. You shouldn't have me open like this. How about you help us clear the way and take you and your daughter right upstairs to the house in the family's spot, which is safe. I'm not a
I'm just some guy.
Some guy. Yeah.
A jebi ga.
What do you want to do? The monster's coming. We gotta go.
Evo i ovi sad, i jebite se svi. Ajde. Trebam gurat, jel? Da, ajmo. Gur, ajde, op. Šmalo zera. Ajde. Guraj, to, ajmo, idemo. Smo odgurali? Jesmo. Jebute, došli su, ajde brže, vidi ovo kljakao. Ajde, pa zošli su ubalci koji kralj, jebote, že.
Is this some guy? Seems like you saved a bunch of lives today.
Najjači ovaj lik iza. Okej, sad će nas on valjda, sad će on nama platiti. I evo nas, stigli smo na neku farmu ovdje.
Hey, Sean, I'm gonna run on home. I'm sorry. sweat, man. I'll catch you tomorrow night.
It was nice to meet you both.
Aj, viđamo se. Kad došli smo kod nekih likova na farmu, valjda ovdje nema zombije, valjda, oho.
Thank God, okay.
I was willing to be back here, too.
Been quiet as people the past couple of days. Reckon down the way from Marathon ain't that enough.
I wouldn't have made it back.
Well, can I keep looking with you then?
Hmm.
You brought a couple guests.
Vi ne idem blizu.
Needless to say, you're welcome to stay here with just for the night. I don't run a bed and breakfast.
Hmm.
So it's just you and your daughter then.
Oh, he's not his daughter. He's, well, just some guy who found her.
Honey, you know this man?
Yes.
Okay then. Well, looks like you hurt your leg pretty bad there. Alright, then. Let's do it for you. Night. Well, John, why don't we check on the system? Take a seat up on the porch and I'll go see what I have.
Ok, znači ovaj će nam lik fiksat nogu. Zavit će nam šta će već uradit.
Let's have a look. Yeah, this is swollen as hell.
Hurts like hell.
I bet it does. What did you say your name was?
Aj,
Miss
slik.
Lee. Nice to meet you, Lee. I'm Herschel Green. How'd this happen?
Aj, friend.
Sure. Let's get away from what's over there. That's so. What type of danger has the girl seen?
Šta sada? Plenty.
Because there's a lot of
Pojma nam šta će biti.
she had a few lonely days with fucking Dave. Stand this together. She's sitting there trying to fight. House is full up with mine. We got another displaced family of three sleeping in the barn. You and your daughter are welcome to rest there. How did you get your name, Don?
And Clementine.
Can't imagine what you've been through from the time. No, looking after him till we find him here.
Hey, Dad. So I'm thinking, first thing tomorrow, we gotta reinforce the fence around the farm.
That doesn't seem necessary.
I don't know what you saw on TV or heard on the radio. There's some serious shit in the town. I don't think anyone's touching it.
Da,
That
upravo
sounds
je.
right. You're gonna want to fortify this place. Stuff like that doesn't happen around here, Sean.
Dad, I'm serious. Lee, come on. Tell them what you saw out there, man.
Seems like coming up big. Well, do what you think you should. We got plenty of doors as it is.
Me and those folks in the barn can help out in the morning. We gotta do it. Really.
I already said okay. Well, I'm all done here. Hope to start to feel better tomorrow. But the rain gets hot or it's blowing every morning. I'll be dealing with an infection. What do we do? They'll probably just have to shoot you. We'll clean it, redress it, and you'll be fine. Okay, that's perfect. There's blankets and such in the barn. We'll be seeing you bright and early. Come tomorrow, which way you think you're headed? Fortunately, that's all. All right.
Ok, ovaj lik nam je prebio nogu, malo smo se ispričali, upoznali to, bla bla bla. Ima ovdje još par ljudi u štalu.
Go on, sir.
I love you, Dad.
I've been
Jevote, pa ja bi se pokrio barem.
Savannah?
good.
Oh, okay.
Hey, get up.
Come on, itchy.
Trapped in a barn, little lady. Lucky you don't have spiders in your hair. But I bet your daddy scared them all away, huh? Stop it. Please. I'm kidding.
Dad, look at the fence. There's a tractor and everything.
We better get going, or we won't hear the end of it. That's my boy, Ken Jr. We call him Duck, though. Duck. Yeah, nothing bothers him. Like water off a duck's back, you know? That's a valuable trick, believe me. No kidding. But frankly, I think it's because he's dumb as a bag of hammers.
Dad!
But he makes up for it with enthusiasm. The word is, you were on your way to Macon. Well, family's prepared. Well, Macon's on the way, and personally, I'd appreciate the company of the guy who can knock a couple of heads together if he has to. Sure, we'll tag along. It's a plan, then. Honey, Duck, this is Lee. And, what's the girl's name? Clementine. Clementine.
That is a very pretty name.
Thanks.
Well, we should get to work. We've all seen what those things can do out there. The faster we get this fence up, the better.
I want to build a fence.
Yeah? Well, I need a good foreman. You can sit on the tractor and yell at me whenever I take a water break.
On the tractor? Cool!
Second, I will hop back.
I can keep an eye on your little girl here on the porch. We can visit.
Ok, to bi bilo to za ovu epizodu. Znači, ovdje smo, probudili smo se...
Such pretty hair.
Ma,
Just want to see.
ma šuti! Probudili smo se ovdje, znači sad trebamo ići kao popravljati tamo ogradu, to jest bolje utvrditi ovu farmu da ne bi zombi polomili ogradu, da ne bi ušli, ne bi nas pobili i to uglavnom bla bla bla. Ali ovdje ću ja završiti epizodu, hvala vam na gledanju, ako vam se svidjelo, ako želite još The Walking Deada ostavite neki like. I vidimo se u sljedećem klipu, čao!